Hi, today I'm going to talk about Tesla. Today is exciting for Tesla. It go up already 6% right now. The price right now is 249. Is it going to go above more, or is it there's a resistance point that will pull back a little bit? So today, this video, I'm going to show you how to analyze Tesla, this stock. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about you and money, mindset, and strategy to help you to get one step closer to financial freedom. Click like, subscribe, and share this video with your friend. And subscribe to my free email list. I will show you more free webinar about how to trade the stock. So let's start. So last video, I also mentioned the target price of the Tesla. So this video is about the, not for the long term, but for the more like for the swing trader, for middle to short term. Is it a good price to buy right now? So I want to review you something. When you see here Tesla, in my last video, I have mentioned when we have a downward channel here, we go above this, so we bought in. So now we already have a quite good return, right? So at that time we bought in my own channel, I have mentioned to buy around 200, and now it's already $50 profit here, right? So it's very good return. So I want to mention the risk right now here. When we look at this is daily chart. When we look at October 3rd, this price around 260, we have one gap down here, okay? So basically right now we are below this price. So most likely, if we analyze this daily chart, if it doesn't go above this channel, this 260, the whole candle go above, you most likely will have a resistance to go down, to have a small pullback, okay? And then to go back to our next support level. So where is our next support level is around basically is here. We have one gap up here. So around 222. This is our next support level. So maybe go up here and go down back to 222 if it doesn't go above 260. This is our daily chart. So when we look at the weekly chart, we also have one gap here, okay? So it's the same at the same price, 260. Basically, this is our resistance level. We're still below this level this moment, okay? So if it's funny, when we look at the weekly chart, basically, we have the next resistance price over the next, you have resistance price here, I have mentioned you last time, around 300. And then also we also have one gap up here also around 300. So that one would be our next resistance price if we go above this 260 price. So let's look at our daily chart, our monthly chart. So this is our monthly chart. You can see here, we also have a gap here around 260, around this candle. You see these two candles, we have one gap down, basically, around October 3rd, okay? So this one is our, basically is our next resistance level, 260. Right now, the price is doing 249.9 at this moment. So this is for your reference. So on our daily chart, weekly chart, monthly chart, we all have one gap at 260. So if you bought previously, follow my channel, you bought here, and around here, you can cash out for the short-term profit, basically. So to wait for the pullback and go back up, okay? So you can see we are right now, when we look at the weekly chart, you can see clearly we are now, let me draw you the channel for you to understand better what kind of trend we are right now. Channel. Basically, we are on the upward trend right now. Wait. Oh, parallel trend. Okay, so basically we are in our upper trend. You can see here. I just draw it roughly, so you can see we are still go up. So here is our resistance point right now. Maybe we have a small pullback if this candle doesn't go above this 200 level, because we have on free time chart, basically we have the resistance level. Now the level, the price is 249 still, so up 6% today. This is a small warning about Tesla today. So today is my sharing. Keep like, subscribe, and share my channel. And see you in the next video. Bye bye.